You know, fried chicken is loved by everyone. One thing it has to do is make you happy.
This is Chicken Sours, next level, fried chicken, sour cocktails.
Free vibes. Chicken Sours is the best fried chicken shop in the world.
Combining those different flavours from different parts of the world.
It might be a light bulb moment, you know. My best time is 4:30 in the morning. I wake up and I don't know, something downloads. The whole fried chicken, it was almost like the twisted Sunday roast. You didn't want to do a Sunday roast, so what can we do? That's not a Sunday roast. Let's try and deep fry a whole chicken, you know. Even if you didn't understand what it was, if you ate it, or you just wanted people to go, don't know what's going on, but like literally there's fireworks going off in my head right now, and I just need to come back tomorrow. Comes to the table, a whole fried chicken, you kind of look at it, you think, how does that work? You know what I mean? What just makes you smile, because it's something that you don't think about. So we use the Korean method, so we brine it, we flour it, and then we fry it in the pressure cooker under a low temperature for quite a long time. With the pressure fryer, it keeps all the steam within the fryer. If it's in an open fryer, all the steam goes up and comes down and gives you a real greasy kind of product. So it also locks in all the juices from the brine and everything like that. And we leave it for a while, and then we fry it at a high temperature to like crisp up the outside. So that whole two-fry method is kind of important, yeah.
The key to that is, keeping it crispy on the outside, nice and juicy on the inside.
But it's very difficult. It's like a kilo of chicken.
No one's ever seen anything like it before. But the great thing is, it's not a gimmick. It's a really great dish that tastes amazing. Fried chicken is a very hard thing to do right. It's either really good or crap. You know, we don't think there's a middle ground. You know, and for us, the very good is a very small window, the rest is crap.
But it was important that we kind of like the fried chicken was the star of the show, and we do that in the best integral way that we possibly can. And let's be creative with all the sides, because really, they're the things that people loved as well. The sides were so creative and so light and so different. You'd often have people just come in and go, you know, all the little things are the best things there. Well, we met in a field, which is a really strong statement.
Yeah, met in a field at Latitude, and the rest is kind of a history dotted with lots of great parties, pop-up restaurants, really immersive dining experience where people just had a great time. It was all about just spreading good vibes, man.
The drinks were always on the same pedestal as the food. It's what you do, you know. It's the same care and attention into the drink as into the food. And it's the experience you come to eat fried chicken and drink sours. Done. Food's important to us, but it's only one part of the jigsaw.
When you go out for a meal, it's for us, it's not just about going somewhere, sitting down, having a plate of food and leaving. So many different factors all come together, making sure that when you open that door, there's just a beautiful vibe, it's just humming in there, and you come in, you get a warm welcome, and the food's great, the music's great, the lighting's right. We want Chicken Sours to be people's happy place, where they come, shut all the problems they've had outside. They've got a meal that's going to fill them up for not a huge amount of money, that's going to really satisfy all those different senses. We have a duty to give them the best fried chicken they can have.